Hi, Howard Fleischmann Sr. here with Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair. I'm excited to announce that we finally got 100-degree weather. Why? Well, they say COVID-19 doesn't live well in the heat. In addition, it's going to bring us some business because your air conditioner may have some problems. So I'm going to show you how to do a quick check at home, or if you'd like, come into any of our shops between now and June 1st, and we're going to do a performance evaluation of your AC unit free of charge. It's normally a $39.95 value. So if you want to do it in your driveway, here's what you do. First thing is you start your car and you move your gauges to read recirculate. And why do you do that? Whenever you get into the car in the first part of the summer, you want the air to recirculate inside because it's going to cool down faster. After it's cooled down, you can move it back. But when you have it on the recyc and you're running it for 3 to 5 minutes, get your wife's temperature gauge, or if you happen to have one in your shop like I do, stick it in the vent window of your air conditioning. If it's reading someplace between 42 and 48 degrees, you're solid. So let's say your air is really cool, it's running 42 degrees, but you're not getting a lot of airflow. Then it's time to look at your cabin air filter to see if this is plugged up, because this can cause you lots of problems. And it's not an expensive change. Again, twice a year. Replace it, it's going to save you money. So we'd like to give you a quick example of what your car, your air conditioning, your tires are all fighting, and that's the heat of the highway. So I've got this gun, which I'm going to take temperature in the shade and the temperature of a tire in the sun, and it's only 75, 80 degrees right now. So it'll give you an idea. The temperature on a freeway can get up to 190 degrees. Your air conditioner has to overcome that. Your tires have to live with that.